Hi everyone! Today we're going to see how you can use Smartly.ai to create a Voicebot. During this tutorial, I will create a Google action, but the process for creating an Alexa skill is the same. Start by opening your Smartly account. In your dashboard, click on Create App. Select the Voice app. Give it an appropriate name and select the language. Welcome to your builder. This module allows you to create, test and deploy an app. This is your welcome state. It's your first point of contact with the user. When your app is activated, the welcome state will be the first message said by your app. Let's create a conversation. Now we have the complete welcome state. Don't forget to save it. Now I can create. Drag and drop an intent capsule, the purple capsule, on your graph. Give it a name. Remember to spare the specific characters. And start filling the intent capsule with the utterances. The more you have, the best your app will be at answering. Once it's done, save your intent. Now that we have an intent, we need to answer it. Drag and drop the app answer capsule. Give it an appropriate name. Now you can write down what you want to answer the user. For the record, you can add multiple answers and the bot will select one of them randomly. So write my sentence. Now save. Now we're done here. So, based on a simple try, let's say that your user will choose the fruit mentioned in your intent. Let's try this with an apple. I fill in all my expected semantic samples. I remember to save it. Oh, let's give an appropriate name, so let's say chosen fruits. And I save. Let's give another app answer. So retry this, great. I save it. And now I need to train. With the button just at the top right of the builder, Smartly AI will ask you to train your bot each time you've edited or created an intent. Now that you're ready to test, go to the test box on the left and talk to your bot. As you see, there is a confidence score on the bot's understanding for each request, which is calculated by our NLU. So, it's correct, but this was a simple try. You need to use the entities. So what is an entity? An entity is a group of expressions with the same meaning. Let's create an entity for fruits, so you need to specify each synonym, and I guess we can do this for apples and strawberries. So this is just an example, but you can put all the species of the apples. You can put also the orthographic variation. And now go back to your builder and start editing the chosen fruits intent. So rather than put all the expected sentences, I can use my entity. So start writing a sentence, and instead of writing the name of the fruit, click on Insert an Entity. You'll find your entities library. Just select the correct entity and you'll be done. Remember, you need to add the main expected expressions. You'll see, usually, your entities in green, directly in the intent. So I can delete the old sentences, and now I save. Please remember to link your capsules, but think about it twice before doing it. Why? If you want your intent to be accessible at any point of the conversation, don't link it. Now let's train the bot. Yeah, we have a conversational flow right now. Let's try our new intents in the test box. Oh, and it's working. So that's great. Now you achieve the discovery of a classic conversation modelizing. Let's look at the NahGS Capsules now. These capsules allow you to add some code to your bots and to develop specific features such as long and short-term memory, API calls, databases calls, and so on. So you can develop your NahGS capsule, you can code it in directly. So let's say we want to recover the entity expressed by the final user. We write the function code and we will have to insert the name of our entity. Besides, remember this important stuff. You need to write the answer directly in the NahGS capsule. No need to get back to the app answer capsule. And of course, do not forget to close the NahGS with the callback output. Moreover, you will be able to find some codec samples at the beginning of the NahGS capsule. So you will be always taken by the hand. Callback output is there, everything is okay, so I can save it. So we need to link the intent to the app answer and afterwards the app answer to the NahGS. Let's try again our intent. We'll see if it recovers the entity. And success! As you can see, the bot recovers the entity. Finally, I guess we can deploy it on Google Home. Just to be sure, last time. Okay, perfect. So this is entity result conversation. You can test it as you like another time. You can try all the entities. So let's get to the website console.actions.google.com and create a project. You need to have Gmail account to access this, and it's the main platform to create a project for Google Assistant. So give a name to your project. So let's say Fruits app. Choose your language. For the record, we will be in United States. Then click on Action SDK, look in the code bar and copy the project ID which is following the word project. Go back to smartly.ai, click on the assistant integration, paste the project ID, and once it's done, click on the Google Assistant link to get your token. I confirm. Copy this one and paste it in Smartly. And save. Success, your integration is done. So let's go to the overview. The overview is basically the dashboard that helps you personalize your app. So in this overview you can choose your app name, you can choose the pronunciation, it's very important, so you can test it with the mic. You will also be able to write a short and a long description. So I can find all the informations just on the right. And let's go to the next step. It consists in inserting the pictures. So you need two things, a banner and an app pic. Please remember to follow the sizes asked by Google. You can save now. Now the app pic. Let's take an apple. As you see, we can on Apple. Beautiful apple. And now I can choose my category. Just need to finish to fill in this form. You can add your developer name and your mail address. You will need some basically legal URL because it's a requirement asked by Google. Let's choose my category, food and drink, and now I can save. Oh, yes, I see that my name is too mainstream. I need to change that. Now I click on save, just for a quick verification. Yeah, I can hear it. Yeah, better. Okay, save. Now, let's see if the integration works. You go on test draft. Remember to choose your language and to choose your position. So I can talk through the mic, or I can type it directly. And of course, the integration works. I guess it's a success. So remember, you always be able to test the app in the test draft of Google, or you will be able to test it in Smartly. You need to see if your app is efficient. Thanks everyone for your attention, and congrats, now you're able to design amazing voice experiences thanks to smartly.ai. I hope you will enjoy designing conversational apps with Smartly.ai, and if you're willing to develop your offer and grow your business, apply to become a partner on our website. See you soon!